Client Communication Essentials. TaxDome streamlines client communication with both one-way and two-way messaging, ensuring efficient collaboration and engagement. One-way communication is a broadcast channel. You'll use notifications and reminders, for example, when working with documents and invoices, so that customers are aware of new files uploaded or don't forget to make a payment. Two-way communication, on the other hand, creates a dialogue between your firm and clients. We'll look at 3 tools for two-way communication here: secure chats, client tasks, email threads. Let's explore how you can use them. TaxDome's secure chat feature offers real-time encrypted conversations where you can share files and maintain a complete history of your discussions. It is like having your day-by-day message app connected to your portal, with this app keeping every conversation in threads and documents organized in folders. In the chats, you can also create client tasks, which is a smart way to send a to-do list to your clients. With client tasks, you create checklists and send them to your clients through chat threads. The platform's email centralizes all client emails within TaxDome. Once your email is synced, you can open email threads within client profiles, create templates for frequent responses, and easily attach files from your computer or from TaxDome. And there is more. As an additional tool, you can send SMS directly from the portal. This feature is particularly useful for sending immediate reminders. With everything organized and easily accessible, you can keep your firm and clients aligned effortlessly. Ready to streamline your communication? Get started today.